going to show you a quick way to get royalty-free music, absolutely free, the download and the music. First, you're going to go to MediaHuman.com. The link is right here. You're going to pick out your download, which is over here to the right. If you have a Mac, this is a free software program for the most part. I think you can upgrade to get more downloads. I think you get like an allotted limit of how many you get for the free. So you're going to download whatever version you have. In my case, I've already got it installed. Second thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the next link, which is right here, which will also be in the description, which is going to bring you to YouTube. And you will see down here at the bottom, it says royalty-free, no copyright music. Now you can go through this entire sidebar over here, and let's just not scroll down. Let's just pick a song. Any of these? Something that sounds kind of good. These are kind of hip, funky. So, okay, so let's just say we like this one. We're going to copy this link, and we're going to drag it into our installed program. It's going to automatically find the paste link for you. You're going to hit the download, and that's pretty much it. And you can use these royalty-free on your YouTube videos for any of your YouTube videos. So anyway, if you liked the video, hit the subscribe button. If you want to share it, share it. Hit the like button if you liked it. If you didn't like it, tell me what you didn't like about it. If you got a better idea, tell me what that is, and I will be happy to share it. Anyway, peace out.